this audio with video recording. I'm using the Ulanzi case, which allows for the big GoPro mic adapter, to which is connected a 3.5 mm microphone, and it sits inside the helmet, the mic part of it. I do find that because of the short cable on the mic, I have to mount the Ulanzi case on the chin, and the size of the metal case is quite big as compared to the original GoPro camera itself, and can get in the way of looking at the dashboard as well as the phone if I have the GPS on. Right now it's okay, I'm actually looking just above the top of the camera, and it is within the eyesight and can be distracting. Might need to get used to it, or adjust the height of the camera on the chin mount. I'm also trying out the Telescene GoPro remote, which you can see mounted on the left handlebar just underneath the clutch reservoir. This for me works much better than the original GoPro remote. The battery life on that was absolutely ridiculous. Half an hour into the ride and the GoPro remote would die, with no way of charging it while on the road. This one seems a lot better in terms of life. I still have to test it on a long ride, but the promises are good. This is a nice little country, residential, rural road, which has become the latest favorite of mine because of the way it winds up and down, left and right, with nice little cottages and farmlands on either side. And it also cuts out a light and a stop sign. One of those roads you can practice your turns, I guess. And that's the end of the road.